All right, let's be real, my body shop friends. Not all work is good work. One of the things I always ask our shops is, if you could target the ideal repairs for your facility, what would you target? Would you target things like small repairs like this? Would you go after the mid-size repairs? Or would you want to fill your shop with the large size repairs? Well, chances are that you would want to fill it with the highest profitable work, that you'd want to fix vehicles that don't have parts constraints and a lot of those challenges. Maybe it's for your B-Techs. Maybe you want to do this. Well, I got great news for you. We have actually built a targeting system. This is what allowed me to really grow our facilities, allowed me to grow from 1 shop to 8 facilities. And then I had a nice exit in 2014 based off of this very principle called triage. So I put together a masterclass. My team has come together. We've put together this masterclass where we're going to show you some new technology that's coming out from the insurance companies that's going to affect shop. It's going to cause chaos, but in chaos, one of my good mentors, Doug Kelly, always tells me in chaos is cash, right? So we're going to show you how to use a targeting system. We're going to show you how to pull all those good gravy jobs out of the marketplace and fill your shop with them. It's really cool. So go on somewhere in this, around this video, there should be a link. We're going to give you, for a limited time, we're going to give you free access to this masterclass. Go ahead and watch it. Take away what you can to plug it into your business. I hope you get a lot of value out of it. It's our gift to you. Thanks a lot.